Now, let us take up trends in national income growth and structure. What has the trend been? Has it increased or has it decreased? Trends, for knowing the trends in NNP, we can divide it into two phases. From 50-51 to 80-81 and from 81 to 2009 and 10. While in the first three decades from 50s to 80s, the NNP had grown at a rate of 3.2% per annum, which was quite slow. But after 80s and especially after 90s, when liberalization policy was adopted and economic reforms had taken place, it had grown at a considerably higher pace, better pace. It grew at a pace of 6.6%. And after liberalization, when the market had opened up, the infrastructure became better, NNP had increased at a better rate. And at present, it is growing at a rate of 7.3% approximately. So it has grown over the years. It has improved because of better infrastructural facilities and better economic reforms that had taken place. Similarly, trends in per capita income had also improved over the years. But with per capita income, the main problem is that we have an agrarian based economy. So per capita income basically depends upon the income of the agriculture. When the season is good, when the monsoon are good, when the harvest is good, the per capita income increases. And when it is not so, it decreases. Initially, there were many highs and ups due to this reason only. But with time, it has become better. But still, per capita income has grown at a rate lower in comparison to NNP. Which means, though the production is increasing and things are looking bright, but still the income in the hands of the individuals have not increased in that proportion.